Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. And right now we are in our summer series, so we are doing a brand new video every day for the rest of this week. So you want to make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss out on it. But today we are going to be, where is it? Where'd she go? It's the brand new Fenty Eaze Drop Stick. I think it's actually called the Fenty Blur and Smooth Tint Stick. But we're about to get into it because it's giving skin. Alrighty guys, so we are going to be hopping into this video. As I mentioned, we are going to be getting into the brand new Fenty Eaze Drop Blur and Smooth Tint Stick. So that is this little gem right here, and a few things before I actually get into this product, because y'all, I ain't even gonna lie to you, y'all know I'm a Fenty stan, so sometimes I just buy stuff because it's Fenty, and that is actually kind of the case today. So I got this because it was also Sephora's like friends and family sale. So one of my friends shared her 20% discount code. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And I got my iPad right here, y'all. I got an iPad now. I'm going to tell you guys a few specs about this. So this is a lightweight coverage, long wear tint stick with a creamy, smooth texture that instantly blurs while melting into skin for a natural finish. So it is a light to medium coverage. It also says that this is a crease-proof formula that delivers a blurred, smooth, second skin finish that resists fading and transferring. Both claims, and contains color true pigments that resist oxidation. Why was that so hard to say? What was I trying to say? Okay, so we're gonna prime using our Milk Hydro Grip. Y'all know I did get the Bobbi Brown vitamin C enriched primer. I do not grab for that. Like, I don't know why I bought it when I know I'm just like really stuck on this Hydro Grip. So that's what we're going to use for today, and I think this will also be good because this is something that I know will be like, it should work well with this foundation, I hope. And while we get into it, y'all see this 26-inch bust down? It's not flat iron right now, so wait. But girl, 26 whole inches, girl. Whole inches. Keep going. Yeah, it's not flat iron right now, like I said, so like don't clock me. But let's go ahead and let's get into this foundation. So it had a pretty decent shade range, but of course you can go ahead and match this foundation to previous Fenty foundations that you've tried based off of the foundations that I use. I can't remember all the color shades, so I'm just gonna list them here. I was matched with shade 17. So one of the things that I saw about this Fenty foundation was that it's like a pretty good amount in here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna twist it up because that's what they kept doing on like their Instagram and stuff. They just kept twisting and twisting and twisting. So this is how much product you get, you guys, which is, I guess this is good for like a creamy contour type, not contour, this is not contour, a creamy consistency type of product. So I really like that. I feel like it's low-key scary to push it up this far, so I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna put it back down because I do not need it to break on me. But this is also recyclable, so you can actually, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can like remove that after it's like out and then buy a replacement. I think I've seen something like that. I don't know, I could be like making that up, but Fenty, if you don't got it, maybe you should. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna apply this like to my cheeks. It goes on really creamy and like really like easily. So it does say that you should use like your fingers for this, or you could use like the Fenty brush. I'm really conflicted because I really don't want to use my fingers, but at the same time I do feel like it wouldn't hurt. So let's just use our fingers because I don't have the brush. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend this out with my fingers, and I'm gonna just like pat it in versus like rubbing it in because I still want the coverage to be there, and it blends in very easily. Like y'all seen that blended in very well. So we're just gonna keep blending, and I think already y'all can tell, you could tell. Look, so this is the side obviously that we just did, and this is without. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm gonna apply some to my chin. I'm gonna apply some right there. I'm gonna move slowly because I know like sometimes when you use like products with your fingers, it can like dry out and kind of get stuck, which I obviously do not want to happen. So what is that, the Hydro Grip? Oh no. Okay, y'all see that? It's like rolling off like little beady bees. I think that's because the Hydro Grip. Maybe I should let it sit a little bit longer, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep working with it. But I actually have not really been like wearing makeup a lot, you guys, lately. So when this came out, I was just like, ooh, I'm intrigued, I'm excited. So I definitely wanted to give it a try. And you guys know here on my channel, I just love more natural makeup looks. So something like this that really claimed to be like even more natural than the Eaze Drop, because I feel like the Eaze Drop is pretty natural. Y'all know I have a video comparing the Eaze Drop, reviewing the Eaze Drop. So the Fenty Eaze Drop is one of the like foundations that I'm like, it don't get much simpler than that. So this one, oh my goodness. Look, the beady bees, there. Oh, the beady beaten. The Fenty Eaze Drop is just like, it's so easy and so simple. So I'm like, how would you guys come out with something even more simple? Let me find out. For what it is, I feel like it's definitely given like, you know, natural skin. It's not, you know, cakey. It's not very like, it doesn't feel like you have anything on, which I think, you know, most people who would, you know, gravitate towards a product like this wants that. And it's really, it's really nice. Like I'm really happy with how it's like turning out. So the price of this product is $35. Ew, why? Oh, please. Don't do it. It's literally all over my fingers. It's the Hydro Grip. So maybe I should have used the Bobbi Brown primer for this because yeah, ew. I really like that you could still see my freckles. Like a lot of people always comment on my freckles and like, oh my gosh, you have such cute freckles. Like, why don't you show your freckles? And it's like, I don't intentionally try to hide them. It's just makeup products, like, it's inevitable. They will cover up my freckles. So to see that this is actually like, you know, still allowing my freckles to shine through. Oh my gosh, grow. But to see that my freckles are like actually shining through, and obviously once I do concealers and if I add powders, it will definitely kind of maybe, you know, change that. But so far, like usually during this step, all the freckles are gone. You can still see them, which is really, really cool. And if you wore this by itself and didn't do, you know, concealing, contouring, and all that extra stuff, you clearly would be able to still see like the actual natural beauty marks that you have. So I like that a lot. I really do. So as you guys can see, it is a very much even. I feel like it's a very light like wash of color. It doesn't look like dull. So that's really good because sometimes with products like these, you do have to like do the full concealing and contouring because it just kind of, although it's supposed to help just like even things out, it kind of washes you out. But I don't feel like that's the case with this product at all. I'm gonna go ahead, so around my nose, let me get a little closer. Dang, let's not get washed out now. So around here, there are just a few like light spots. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dab a little bit more on there. Let's go right here by my like forehead. And I'm gonna let that sit for like a few seconds just to kind of get a little bit like thicker and see if that will actually like give us a little bit more coverage. It does actually say if you want a fuller coverage to apply more pressure when you swipe. What does that mean? Like apply more pressure, because I'm not swiping, I'm like dabbing. So maybe they're like saying like rub it in like it's a cream. I ain't gonna do that, but you know, if you want to do that, if that's how you apply your products, then go for it. I do feel like letting it sit for like 2 seconds. Oh no, actually I was gonna say I think it did do something, but I don't know. I can't say that really made it any more thicker, but I also don't think applying more pressure specifically is going to make it thicker. So this is what we got, and I'm completely okay with this amount of coverage. Obviously, if you are into full coverage foundations, girl, do not waste your money. Don't waste your money expecting full coverage, because this is not that whatsoever. There's no way that you would get full coverage from this product. I'm just gonna finish this face out. I'm not gonna do too much because, again, I don't think this product is intended for you to really be doing the most. This is supposed to be something that's super easy and lightweight. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna like apply a few things here and there just to kind of spruce it up. So I'm gonna take my Fenty Eaze Drop Lit, and this one is in the shade number 3. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to the high parts of my cheeks. Okay, so before I finish up the rest of the face, I wanted to come back and kind of show you guys what it was looking like so far without me like setting it with any powders, because I actually want to do that with you guys. But I am actually very pleased with how there is like very minimal creasing. Like, I think that is like one of like the truest claims about this foundation, is that there's no creasing. And I do feel like there's a little bit of a transfer. Again, I don't know if they intended for you not to set this product, but if you don't set this product, it is literally going to transfer. I never truly even like believe the claims that things are like not transfer proof. Like, how, Sway? How is not transfer proof? So, I mean, I'm not even going to hold them for that claim. Like, everybody's claiming their stuff is like transfer proof. I still have yet to actually like get a product that is transfer proof. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder. Because this is translucent, I don't want any extra color, because remember it said it don't oxidize. We're gonna test that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a very light hand, and I am just going to lightly powder my face with this product. So if you have a colored powder that you want to use, by all means go ahead and do that. I just feel like in order for us to truly test these claims of oxidization or lack of, we need to like not add any extra like color on top of it. So I'm just gonna like set my entire face, and I still feel like it doesn't like make it look any less skin-like with me doing this. Like, it still gives off that very nice and natural kind of radiance to the skin. And I really hope that you guys are enjoying this summer session series. I really want to give you guys enough content to like last a week, because I've been gone for like 3. So I really want to come back hard and give you guys, you know, just a really fun like time to come back to. So there are new videos every day this week. So we started off the week on Monday with the Sweet July skincare routine of Vogue style. And then Tuesday we got into the Sephora haul, where you guys saw me unbox this makeup product and some other good stuff that we'll be getting into later this week. And now today, Wednesday, we are here getting into this Fenty Eaze Drop stick. So we have 2 more days of fun content to get into. So you guys wanna make sure you guys are tuning in. And if this is the first video that you've seen of the summer session series, you need to go ahead and check out the first few days, and then subscribe, of course, because there's more to come. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. But this is what the face is looking like, all powdered. I don't know. So this is what it looks like. I am so pleased with this. I am gonna go ahead and set my face with a little bit of setting spray, because it is a powder still. So just gonna do a quick set and okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to jump into this mascara that I got. So as I mentioned in the Sephora haul, I got a sample of this Hella Thick mascara by Fenty, and I recently ran out of my mascara, so I just got any sample of mascaras I could get. And considering the fact that this is a Fenty face, we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. And already, girl, already it's definitely giving me some nice like coating, a nice length to the lashes. And y'all know, like, I typically do about 3 to 4 coats of mascara, so I'm gonna see if this can really like get built up. But so far, with just this first little, you know, dip, I like it. Alright guys, so this is what the foundation is looking like thus far. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing like a full in-depth wear test, but I am going to go like walk my dog, go to Trader Joe's and run a little bit of errands, I guess you could call it. And then I'll come back and show you guys like what the foundation is actually looking like. But so far, it's looking really cute. I feel like it's super lightweight. Like besides the feeling of knowing like I have foundation on, I can't like rub my face, it doesn't feel like I have foundation on, which is super nice. It's super convenient because like I told y'all, it is really hot outside, so like the least products or minimal products possible, the better. So I really feel like for the summertime, although for some people summertime is kind of ending, for some of us it's just getting started. So I feel like this is definitely going to be something that you would like to gravitate towards. I do feel like this mascara though, girl, that's thick. Okay, that's only 2 coats, and I was just like, oh, okay, I don't even need to do 3 or 4. So I really like that mascara. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do post every Tuesday and Friday. But if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and now Lemon 8, and head over to l.co so that way you guys can keep up with all of the extra fun that you guys aren't seeing here on YouTube. But that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget, if you haven't seen the first few videos, go back and watch those because the summer series is in full effect. And don't forget to come back tomorrow and the next day because we still got a lot more content for you guys to enjoy. So I thank you for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Peace.